Hello lovely guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's do this Oreo ice cream together. So the first thing you want to do is to grab an Oreo biscuit. I'm using the original Oreo biscuit and I'm just going to be crushing them. But I saved like 3 biscuits for later to use as toppings. So I'm sealing it in this Ziploc bag, seal it tight so that it does not spill. And I'm crushing it with this rolling pin. You can use anything you wish, a bowl, a plate, anything you can use to crush your biscuits. Just make sure you crush it well. I am using 2 cups of whipping cream and I am going to whip this thing to medium to hard peaks. I like to make it like very whipped because I'm not using an ice cream machine. So you just want to whip it very well. Some people use their hands, but I don't have the muscle for that. So I use my hand mixer, which makes me whip this in 3 to 5 minutes. So you can see the way it's gradually changing from soft to medium peaks and gradually to hard peaks. And I'm adding about a half cup of condensed milk. I'm using little bits of condensed milk because the whipping cream incidentally was already sweet. So I didn't want to use too much of condensed milk to make it very sweet. So I'm adding my Oreo biscuit now, which I was crushed, and I'm just going to mix this and make sure that it is well infused with my whipped and condensed milk. I'm just going to mix it properly in order to get that creamy Oreo taste that I want in every bite, every spoon. So yes guys, it has been mixed properly at this point. I'm just giving it like the final touch, and yes, I'm adding it into my pan. You can use anything you want to use, any bowl. I'm just using my baking pan, which also doubles as my ice cream tray. So I'm just trying to level it to make it smooth in order for me to work with it before it goes on into the freezer. So just try to make it smooth as much as you can. And yes, this is what I have at the end of the day. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to start placing my Oreo biscuits as the toppings. Remember I said you are going to save some Oreo biscuits. Don't use all your Oreos in the pack. Try to get some so that you can save some and use it as the toppings. And I'm just covering this with a cling film in order to transfer it into the freezer. And I'm going to freeze this for about 6 hours. And yes, my Oreo ice cream is ready. And that's it guys, very simple. You can do this from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go to the store in order to buy ice cream. This is as rich and as creamy as anything guys, seriously. I wish you could taste it. So I'm just like dishing it out at this point in order to show you that we have our Oreo ice cream. Very creamy, very soft. You can enjoy it with any pastry of your choice. Enjoy it on its own. Enjoy with some cake, anything you wish. Is a lovely dessert, nice to cleanse your palate, and it depends on you whether you want to make it a sweet. Taste differs from person to person, and this is my version of my Oreo ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you subsequently. Bye.